people's struggle for freedom is never easy. The journey of the Filipino people towards independence was fraught with dangers, sacrifices, and hardships. It is from the sacrifices of our forebears, inspired by their dream of a better future for our people, that we owe our independence. It is this hard-won independence which is the root of our identity as a nation. Hong Kong holds a special place in the history of the Filipino people. Hong Kong served as a refuge of our revolutionary leaders during the struggle for Philippine independence in the late 1800s, and vestiges of our historic past remain here even today. Morrison Hill Playground in Wan Chai is where the very first Philippine flag was sewn, the same flag that was unfurled in 1898 at the Teatro Caviteño in Cavite. In number 5, the Aguilar Street in Central, you will find a place where Dr. Jose Rizal, our national hero, established his clinic as ophthalmic surgeon. In Red Naxela Terrace, in mid-levels, Dr. Jose Rizal established his residence in 1891. And it was here in Hong Kong where the constitution of the La Liga Filipina, the secret society founded by Dr. Rizal to improve the plight of the Filipino people, was printed. On this very day, June 12, 126 years ago, Philippine independence was declared, making the Philippines one of the earliest modern democracies and republics in Asia. The Philippines established diplomatic consular ties with Hong Kong in 1947. The Philippines and Hong Kong's bilateral relations continued to grow from strength to strength over the past decades. Currently, there are 222,000 Filipinos in Hong Kong and 200,000 foreign domestic helpers. Our workers have greatly contributed to the economy of the Philippines and Hong Kong as well. Filipino workers are recognized by Hong Kong officials to have contributed greatly to the Hong Kong economy by allowing more Hong Kongers, especially women, to join the workforce by taking care of their children, the elderly, and their households. We are very proud of our workers.
Ako ay may isang munding pangarap sa aking nakita.
Last year, Hong Kong was Philippines' 6th largest trading partner and your 4th largest export market. Being the super connector and super value adder in this region, we have continued to be an important conduit for trade between China and the Philippines. Around 11% of the total trade between the two economies route through Hong Kong. And Hong Kong has become increasingly popular as a destination for business visitors and tourists from the Philippines. Last year, we welcomed more than 750,000 tourists from your country. In the first 5 months this year, the number was over 430,000, more than twice that in the same period last year. I was told that the Hong Kong Disneyland and the recently opened World of Frozen in particular is the most popular destination for our Filipino friends. Do come more often. The city continues to be welcoming and vibrant, brimming with investment and business opportunities. Hong Kong, as a leading international financial center, a professional services center, and a logistic hub, is keen to have Filipino and other Asian investors and enterprises to explore new markets in the Greater Bay Area, the mainland, and beyond. We see vast room for our economic and trade cooperation to grow further. After all, the Philippines is among Asia's top performing economies. The Asian Development Bank recently forecast the Philippines economy to grow by 6% this year and 6.2% next year. And in fact, developing Asia as a whole is also expected to grow fast in this and the next year. It helps that Hong Kong and the ASEAN are reinforcing our economic partnership. ASEAN is our second largest trading partner for over a decade. Our bilateral trade has climbed more than 20% in value since the signing of the ASEAN-Hong Kong Free Trade and Investment Agreements back in 2017.
Ties and continued success to Philippine and Hong Kong relations and the good health of the People's Republic of China, Republic of the Philippines, and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region.
Cheers. Cheers.